Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's episode, I will show you how to buy USDT in Trustwallet. Let's begin. So first, we just need to make sure we are successfully logged into our Trust Wallet. And in my case, I'm just using my app, my mobile phone, but you can also do this on your computers. So it's very simple. We do have a video tutorial for other currencies and how to buy them in Trust Wallet. Please subscribe to our channel so you get to learn more and give you steps for you to earn more money in cryptocurrency. So today, let's do USDT this time. So hit on buy. So you can see that the upper portion. And then I'm just gonna search, USD. So there's a lot of USDT, guys. Just bear in mind because they run on different networks. In my case, I just want to use the Binance Smart Chain one. And then say for example, I want to buy worth let's do 100. Yeah, just default for 100. So that's worth $100, but that's equivalent to 97 or roughly 98 USDT. So if you notice, guys, there's like Binance Connect third party provider in there. When you are actually buying cryptocurrency in Trust Wallet, your wallet has to be connected with a cryptocurrency exchange site such as Binance or Coinbase, and then make sure that your credit card or bank account is also set up, or it's associated or connected, because this is a perfect way for you to buy cryptocurrency through Trust Wallet. So once you've already decided how much you're going to buy, hit on next, and then it will lead you to this page. Depends on what your third party provider is. In my case, I would want I want my Binance Connect. So I need to pay $100, and my credit card is already set up through my Binance Connect. So once it's already decided, I'll just gonna hit on this button right here. So when you do this, guys, it would allow you to, or just for security reasons, you need to log into your Binance account. So once that's done, if you're logging in, it will be asking for a verification code just to make sure that your buying is secured. Once it's done, once you've already decided if you're going to be using your credit card, and once you're able to purchase that, it would then be reflected on your Trust Wallet. So that's it. It's pretty easy to buy USDT on your Trust Wallet. I hope you learned something today. If you do, please hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.